Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can easily buy Bitcoin on Binance. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go, when you're gonna enter Binance, if you didn't register yet, you can just scroll down below to the description and then register through the link and you will save 5%. You want to go to Wallet, Overview, and here you can simplify it in Spot and find Bitcoin, and here you would find Trade. And you can actually trade it with Euro, with your own currency here. I'm going to click Euro. And then right here, I can see buy Bitcoin with price this amount. And you just choose how much you want to buy. It depends how much money you're gonna have in your bank account or in your charged account in Binance. This is the first way how we can do it. Or how we can do it is you can click here and buy crypto with credit debit card. And that's the second way how we can do it. So you can do it through Snappa. And okay, and you just add like 1000 and you just like, okay, I want buy Bitcoin, and I just add here the card number and expiry date and CVC, CVV, and I'm good to go. So this is pretty much it how you can buy Bitcoin on Binance. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And yep. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.